Hi students, welcome all to class 4 EVS class and myself Shumiron sir, and today I am here with you to teach the environmental science or EVS. So I hope that all you are fine and well as you have watched the video up to chapter number 7 whatever the teachers have provided you. So today we'll start chapter number 8, reaching grandmother's house. So the first two parts of the video are already given or provided to you, and I hope all of you have watched the video, as well as some of the worksheet also you will get in this week, and you have to complete those worksheet and question answer. So I am here with the third part of the video, that is reaching grandmother's house. So the first two part, I hope that all of you have watched it properly. So let's see. Reaching grandmother's house, chapter number 8, EVS. So we will discuss about the railway timetable. We are in the last part of the video, that's why we will discuss about the page number 64 and 65, whatever some question answer regarding this chapter, as well as whatever about the railway timetable and a railway ticket. So you know what is a railway timetable. So railway timetable is obviously known to you. Many of you have ride in many of the local train or express train, and you have seen some timetable in the railway station, or also some of the timetable you have also seen as in the form of timetable book, etc. So, a railway timetable gives details about the route of every train, the station along the route, what time the train will reach and leave the station, the distance covered, etc. So, from the railway timetable, we can get this information. Okay, from what is the route of the train, which station it will stop, from where it will start the journey, and where it will end the journey, what is the timing of the train, each and every station, when it will reach over there, these things, the distance covered by the train, all the things we can know from the railway timetable. Okay, and railway timetable, you can buy the railway timetable book from the railway station. It is easily available to you, as well as you have seen some chart or electronic boards of railway station in the railway table in the railway station. Okay, now you see, it is a suburban timetable. It is a book of suburban timetable. Some of the sample timetable it is given inside the book. Whatever timetable is given, for the name of the train is given, the time or the arrival time and the departure time of the train, and the station, okay, from where it will start and up to which station it will go. These types of information you can get from the railway timetable. Okay, and here you can see one electronic railway timetable. These types of timetable we can get in the railway station. Okay, and when you are waiting for the train, if you see in the railway station, there are several timetables nowadays. At it, we are becoming modernized, we are having the electronic timetable, and it is only visible on the junction station or the big station, but in the small station you can find only the chart at the wall, and the time of the train arrival, departure obviously written here. You can see some of the name of the trains are given. Okay, Ognivina Express, as Rajendra Sagar Nagar Express, Belur Mod Local, these types of train. Okay, this is a timetable from Howrah station, and it is quite known to you. It is one of the largest station in our country, and it is present in Howrah in West Bengal. Okay, so these types of timetable you can get. Now we will discuss about these two pages, page number 64 and 65 of your book. If you have the book with you, you just take it out and you can follow the question what it is given over there, as well as you will also follow this video. From in this video also, on the screen you can see the question, or the two pages are given. Okay, so what are the question we have to practice? You have to write the information what we can find about the railway ticket On the last video you have already seen the railway ticket, and the teacher has already explained you what are the things we can get from the railway ticket. I will also discuss in this video. Okay, and you can see one chart is given about the Gandhidham Nagarkol Express. In the train Omana started his journey. Okay, and which are the station it is written on his diary. That station you have to find it out. Okay, then from where the which station that the train starts, or how many minutes does the train stops in Ahmedabad station, in which day the train journey did the train reach Madgaon. These types of question, okay, you can find in these 2 pages, and I will discuss it gradually. So here is a map. You can see Gandhidham, it is a place in Gujarat, and Nagarkol, okay, it is in Kerala near to Kanyakumari, the station Nagarkol. Okay, and the rail route is given already in the screen, you can see. Okay, and these are some of the important station in between it: Ahmedabad, Vadodara, okay, Parnal, Madgaon, okay, Mangalore, Kottam, and last is the Nagarkol, okay, Nagarkol junction. So Nagarkol, it is in Kerala, and Gandhidham, it is in Gujarat. So this is the route in which Omana traveled in the train. So you have already learned in this chapter, and here are 2 images I have given you to understand. It is a station Gandhidham, okay, it is a picture of that station from outside, and it is a picture of the station Nagarkol. Okay, for your own interest, to gain the interest, I have given you the picture, so you can see it from here, from the slide. Next slide, you can see again I have given another picture of inside the station. Okay, Gandhidham junction and the Nagarkol junction, okay, both the station from where the train started and up to which station the train reached, and about these 2 station and the intermediate station, and some of the few questions about the railway timing we will discuss in this video. So here you can see NCERT page number 64. The first question is there: write some of the information, okay, other information what you find out from the ticket. Some of the information your teacher already explained in the video, and some information, extra information, what it is we can get from the railway ticket, it is given. Along with answer I have also given you, and for your own interest you have to go through this ticket also, as well as you have to see the answer if it is difficult for you. So let me enlarge it and let me show you the what types of information we can get. So you can see from the railway ticket we can get the PNN number. So you can see 8206449755. This is the PNN number. So number 1 answer about the PNN number, it is written over here. So and other information what we can get from this, the train number we can get. You can see the train number 9037. Okay, then the date of our journey. Here the date is written 24/12/2006. This is the date of the journey. And what is the total kilometer valid for this ticket? Okay, the train runs 643 kilometers. So this is the kilometer. Then adult number of person, how many person are there? Total 3 number of person, 2 adults and 1 child. Okay, can you see 2 adults and 1 child? As well as here the ticket number is also given over here. Okay, 68250 this is the ticket number. Here it is also given the ticket number here. So these are the information from the above we can see about the train. Next you come the destination station from Bandra terminus to Ratlam junction. Okay, from the Bandra terminus the train will start, and up to Ratlam junction it will go. Now the coach seat and the berth number. You can see the coach number here, A1, A1, A1. All the 3 passengers are in A1 coach, as well as the seat number is 21, 23 and 22. These are the 3 seat number. Okay, as well as the berth number is given LB, SL and UB. LB means the lower berth, SL means side lower berth, and UB is the upper berth. So these are the berth number. So all this information you can get. Now the age, what are the age? Okay, see the age and the sex also, sex, okay, gender, that is male, female, male. So two male are there, one F means female, M means male. Okay, the age, one age is 39, the female age is 37, and the child which is traveling, okay, he is also a male and age is 7 years. Okay, now what are the other things we can see in this ticket? You can see the total fare of the ticket. Okay, the total fare cost, total cost, that 2578 only, 2578 rupees. So this is the total cost of the train. And the boarding, okay, the boarding is, boarding time or the boarding date is 24/12/2006. So this is the date. So coach number, okay, age, berth number, train number, distance it is covering, okay, and what is the name of the train? It is Awadh Express. Okay, you can see the name over here, Awadh Express. Okay, as well as the timing you can also see over there. Okay, so time, what is the time? The time of the departure of the train you can see over here, it is 14:36. Okay, it is given in the digital clock, that is 14:36. Okay, 14 means you can see 2:36, that is PM. Okay, so everything detailed information we can get. So some of the question is given in your first part about the railway ticket, and other information what is we can get, all this information we can get from the railway ticket. Is it clear to you? So you will minutely watch the railway ticket and try to find out the information. Okay, if you have any old ticket with you, just take it out, and from there you just note it down, the whatever information you are getting from the ticket. Okay, next question number 2. The table is given, okay, through the route, in which route Omanah had traveled, and the station where the train halted, and in the arrival time, the departure time, the distance, and which day does the train reaches over there, that is given in this question chart. Okay, from Gandhidham to Nagarkol you can see, and in between the which are the important station. So here is the answer chart. I have already done it, and I have whatever the station name we can find from Omanah's diary, that I have already circled over here. From there you can get the information, that is Gandhidham, okay, Ahmedabad, Valsad, then Kozhikode, Kottam, okay, up to Kottam junction Omanah traveled. Okay, it is Amosma's house. So these are the name of the stations in which we can find it in Omanah's diary. Okay, got it? From here you can get the second number question answer. Next, let us go to the third question. Third question of page number 65. From which station did the train start? So you can see the destination point from Gandhidham. So this is the station Gandhidham. This is the station from where the train start. It is in Gujarat. How many minutes did the train stop at Ahmedabad junction? So what is the time? The train stopped for 20 minutes at Ahmedabad junction. So you can see Ahmedabad over here. Okay, this is Ahmedabad junction. You can see it reached at 11:30, and from departure time is 11:50. So 50 minutes 30, you can see 20 minutes time. Okay, from here you can find out the what is the time does it stop over there. So for 20 minutes it stayed in Ahmedabad junction. Okay, so you have to follow the chart properly, and from there you have can answer. So there are some sample answers given. In which day of the journey did the train reach in Madgaon? So the train reached Madgaon on the second day. You can see here is Madgaon station. On the second day it reached on Madgaon. So here is the Madgaon station number 7. Okay, see over here the day is written. All these station the train arrived on the first day. This Madgaon station the train reached on second day. So it is given number 2. So it is the question number 5. Next, Sunil and Ann got off at Kozhikode station Omana got off at Kottam station. How many hours does it take for the train to reach Calicut to Kottam? So almost Calicut or Kozhikode to Kottam, it took almost 6 hours to reach. So let's see from this chart. From here, if you deduct or subtract the time, you can see this is the Kozhikode station and this is the Kottam station. Okay, so from here the train reached 17:45 and from there its departure time is 17:50. Okay, and at Kottam it reached as 23:50. Okay, at night almost 11:50 a.m. So what is the time? You can directly deduct or subtract it from the timetable and you can get it. So almost it is 6 hours. Okay, took from Kozhikode to Kottam to reach the train. So that's why the answer is given 6 hours. What is the distance that the train travel over the whole route? So the entire route, if you see, the train travels 2649 kilometer. Okay, this is the, you can see from 0 kilometer is start the distance, it is the 0 kilometer, and the last one is 2649 at Nagarkol. So it is the total distance covered by the train. You can see the Nagarkol junction and 2649. So it is the total distance covered by the train. So this is the answer of this question. Now number 8, how many kilometers did Omana travel by train? But Omana traveled for 2418 kilometers by train. Why? Because Omana done the journey up to Kottam station. Okay, so it is 2418 kilometers. Okay, so that's why Omana total journey is 2418 kilometers. So from here you can easily understand. Okay, the chart is very important. From here you can give all the answer. And last one question I have given extra for the information that you have. You can calculate the average speed of the train. It is just a mathematical question or value based question I have provided you for your knowledge. Okay, so how can you get this answer? Okay, you have to, if you find the speed, you have to do the calculation by the total distance it covered and the time taken. Okay, so distance by time, you can get the speed of the train on an average. Okay, so these are the question you have to do from this chapter. Okay, these are the discussion of the question of page number 64 and 65, and I hope that all of you have understood this part. So watch the video entirely and minutely. If you can watch it more than one time, it will be better for you, and try to answer these types of question, and it will be your work at home to note down all the question and answer in your classwork copy, EVS classwork copy. Okay, and as well as some question will be given on this chapter. All this question you will assemble in the copy and you will submit it to the respective subject teacher of your class. Okay, and if you have the old ticket with you, I hope many of you have the old ticket with you at home, you will take out the ticket and you will find the information what you can get from the ticket. I have already shown what are the information we can, and you will list it out in your copy. It will be your task. So student, I hope that all you are staying home, and now it is a pandemic situation. Okay, so you should stay at home, stay safe, and obviously you will go through the video and your book and the chapters, and whatever the tasks the teacher are giving, you should do it. So thank you all and have a nice day.